Introducing Hannah Court Student Accommodation, a perfect place to stay if you are planning to study in Sheffield. This residence provides a variety of well-equipped studios to cater to the needs of each individual. Wake up to the natural light coming through the windows on the cozy bed placed nearby. A study desk is accompanied by drawers and shelves where you can keep all your books. The pristine private bathrooms allow you to enjoy a private concert while taking a shower. Check your appearance in the mirror after choosing your outfit from the wardrobe before stepping out. The kitchen is fully equipped with a microwave oven and an induction, allowing you to prepare your mom's recipes or reheat leftovers for breakfast. Additionally, there are a lot of cabinets provided to store all your snacks. Hannah Court is a popular choice among students from Sheffield Hallam University and Sheffield College, both within walking distance. Its location places it amidst various restaurants like the Street Food Chef and cafes such as Tilly's Cafe. The nearest Iceland supermarket, Sheffield and Moorhead Ear Street, are just a minute's walk away, which adds to the convenience of staying here. To make the most of your college life, book your student accommodation at Hannah Court in Sheffield via amberstudent.com.